In the sacred courtyard of Lansfort International School, the flames of tradition rise once again. Today, our students gather not only to learn from books, but to embrace the wisdom carried through centuries. The Hawan, a ritual of purity and devotion, becomes a living classroom, where values are taught not by words alone, but by the warmth of fire and the spirit of offering. Every child, with folded hands and pure intent, steps forward to offer their ahuti into the Hawan Kund. Each offering is more than a ritual. It is a promise to honor our heritage, to carry forward the light of culture, and to nurture respect for the traditions that shape our identity. As the smoke rises, it carries with it prayers of unity, resilience, and hope. In these moments, young hearts learn that education is not only about knowledge, but about values that endure. The Hawan reminds us that we are part of something greater, a lineage of wisdom, a community of faith, and a journey of learning that blends the modern with the timeless. At Lansfort International School, we believe that every child's ahuti is a spark of devotion, every flame a blessing for the future. May these sacred rituals continue to inspire, guiding our students to walk with humility, strength, and reverence for the traditions that make us whole. Thanks.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.